wonder of this magnificent union. Gyanas, his constant rishis, took the sacred science of yoga in all its forms to human habitations across the planet, which turned into crucibles of spectacular